Hey guys, good morning. So I'm on my way to my shoot for today. Today I'm shooting with La Benjamin. So this one is like for our brand, so I think I can show like a little bit more BTS. I'm gonna try to capture a little content here and there. I'm on my way to the studio right now and I should be there in like 2 minutes. I'm hoping. So yeah, once I get there I'm gonna start updating you guys. So I'm on set shooting. I can't really show a lot, but just wanted to update you guys. Okay, so obviously because I was like rushing to get ready this morning, my room is a wreck. So I'm gonna have to like clean this up. But I also like asked for like the maintenance to come through. Because basically my bathroom is leaking. Can you hear that? The ceiling of my bathroom is like leaking, and it's like leaking right directly on the bathtub, which was so irritating for me to like take a shower. It's so funny, there's like literally like a hole in the ceiling where the water is like leaking from, and I'm kind of like, that's fucking weird. Usually like when they fix bathrooms or like anything where there's like water, they cause like a big mess. So I'm really happy that our cleaning lady is coming today. Like she's scheduled to come today. I'm super paranoid, like, and I'm such a clean freak, so I'm like, if I leave shit in my bathroom and then they just like ruin it by like dropping shit on it, like it's gonna fucking ruin my day. So I'm just gonna like clear out my bathroom. I'm sure you guys don't even care about my bathroom, but I'm just like updating you guys on my life, and one of the updates is my bathroom. The studio was like in El Cruz, and that area is like very like industrial and like dusty. So my allergies started acting up, and then anything you touch is like dusty. So and I had to like change in and out of clothes, which was like a really easy and cool and quick shoot. Shout out August for taking the shots really quickly. We actually finished before the time we were supposed to finish. We're supposed to finish at 2 and it's already 1:30 and I'm home, so that's really good. I need to order food because I have like nothing in my fridge at all, and then I need to just like catch up on this client work. I also want to like dedicate tomorrow to like shooting content because I'm behind on so many things and I need like cool content to post, and it's hard. Before I clean, I wanted to show you guys this concentrate from Clinique that I have been using a lot, and this eye cream, well, eye gel from Clinique. And you guys know that I use like the Moisture Surge as my moisturizer in the morning, so I've been using like all 3 of them because they kind of go together, and I love it. I love how my skin feels. This is like my headband when I do my makeup, and this is like my makeup setup session. Like I keep this mirror hidden in the closet because I don't want it on display, but then you see like I have everything together, and then I have like my mirror there, sorry, my window. Oh my god, I'm so tired, I can't even speak. And then I have like another mirror here if I want to do my hair, so it kind of like works out better. I feel already much better taking off my makeup, but like look, this is how much wearing makeup fucks up my skin. And I've been wearing like a lot of heavy makeup, like you can see here, it's breaking out. This is like the downside of photo shoots. Like you have to wear makeup for hours and hours and hours, and by the time you're ready to take them off to let your skin rest, you have to do another shoot. I need to stop doing these back-to-back shoots because it's ruining my skin, but at the same time I'm grateful. I'm so freaking grateful. And I'm even doing this thing where like I take makeup wipes with me when I go to shoot, so I can like take my makeup off right after, so when I'm home I can just like get in the shower and wash my face, which I did like yesterday, but still, you know, it takes an effect on your skin, which is horrible. So the room is clean and I'm so comfortable right now. I'm just like wearing my sweats and slippers. I have like my bathroom products right there because the maintenance guys are in the bathroom right now fixing it. So yeah, I'm just gonna catch up with you guys later after I disconnect for a few hours. Well, a few hours, 2 hours. I'm giving myself 2 hours to disconnect, and then jump back on shit because I have like so much work to do. Oh my god, it's exhausting. It never ends. Hey guys, good morning. So again, yesterday was a fail for me to vlog because I just got tired after I ate. Right now I'm headed to my client's showroom to meet with Rena. I'm gonna help her out with something and then I'm just gonna like catch up on more work. I'm wearing like sweats today because I just want to be comfortable, but I still feel cute. I got this from Misguided and I kind of want to get like more sweat sets like this, or like more comfortable clothes that I can like wear when I'm like working, but like still look cute and still I can get like content for like Instagram and YouTube and whatnot. I think I'm gonna head to D3 right now, get me an iced coffee, and then get to working. So this is the sweats that I'm wearing today. They're so cozy and comfortable. And then I'm wearing my Reeboks, and then I'm gonna take my glasses with me. For accessories, I'm just wearing these earrings, my Swatch Babe watch, and like a ring. Got my iced coffee, Rena in the cut. So we're just gonna go upstairs now. Okay, so Ron just left and I have a few packages that I got. I got these packages. This one is from Fenty and it's the new foundation. Oh my god, you guys, it's not focusing. But oh my god, I'm so freaking excited for this. Like, what? And then I got a package from Rimmel, and then I got one from Key. It looks so freaking cute. I also got a package from Garnier, and they sent me the Ultra Doe. I don't know, but it's basically like their hair care line, and I'm excited to like be working with them on a collab to show you guys how these products work. I'm really curious to like try them out. I think I'm gonna wash my hair sometime this week and like try them on for you guys. I got this package from Rimmel, and look at these. Oh my god, they look so freaking cool. I just got dressed, which is why I have like clothes over there because I didn't know what I wanted to wear, and then I ended up wearing this. I'm going to show you guys quickly my outfit. So these glasses are from Key. I just got them recently. I'm wearing my denim skirt. I think this skirt is from Forever 21, and every time I wear it, like everybody asks about it, but it's literally from Forever 21, and I think I am in love with it because of the buttons. They're so cute. I'm wearing my Levi's men's shirt because I wanted that like oversized fit. I'm wearing these socks, also from Forever 21. And then I'm wearing my Pull&Bear platform sneakers. I'm trying to like make my outfits a little bit more interesting. That way every time I go out I can get like a decent picture to post on my Instagram, because I haven't been posting a lot, and it's because like I haven't been inspired to post. I haven't been inspired to like style outfits. But these glasses are so freaking cute, and I usually like don't wear clear glasses. And then I'm wearing my MCM bag. I don't wear this bag a lot. Again, something that I should start wearing more. I am gonna go to Makeup Forever. They're hosting a little event today all about lipsticks. Anytime I go to like a makeup event, they literally put makeup on my face, and then I go like, well, what was the point of me doing makeup in the first place? So I learned my lesson. Don't wear makeup if you're going to a makeup event, because they're gonna like do you up. So I'm gonna leave that to them, and I'm really hoping to like get a decent picture today.
Okay, first of all, can we talk about your lips?
Okay, so we're at Makeup Forever. We're just gonna go through the products.
Okay, this is all we have for lips. The Ultra HD booster, we have two shades, the transparent and the pink one. You could use it alone or pre-lips to prepare your lips for rouge.
Okay.
We have the artist face colors. You could use it for your lips, and you could use it for your face as well, because it's artist face colors.
I love that.
So it's amazing, and we have a lot of shades. I will show you all of the shades after we finish from here.
Okay.
Then artist nude cream, it will dehydrate your lips, and we have all the shades for all skin tones.
So Bemi's here. She's getting her lip did. Okay. And I'm waiting for my lips to get done. We're gonna do like a bedazzled blue lip with like rhinestones. She's really excited.
Yeah.
Just leaving the Makeup Forever stand. Look at these lips that they did. I am obsessed. Anyways, I have to go to D3 now, so that's gonna be exciting. Okay, and we're back home with a bag full of goodies. that I need to prep for my shoot tomorrow. Basically, I have a photo shoot tomorrow, and I kind of want to show you what goes into me prepping for a shoot that I am gonna be like basically sharing content from on my social media. I kind of want to show you guys like what goes into like styling and prepping for like my photo shoots when I do content with a photographer that I'm gonna like post on my Instagram. So the first step is always preparing the looks, whether I borrow it from a certain brand, and that's only if the photographer has like a certain look in mind, or go through my closet and find something that I have to shoot. So I borrowed a few looks, and I'm not sure that I'm gonna use all of this. Like, I want 2 solid looks for the shoot, and then everything else is gonna be like worn another day. This is one of the looks that I want to do, which is like this dress, this denim jacket, and then this waist bag. The second look that I want to do with for Thursday is this one right here with like a bag. I'm thinking I want to do this bag because I have to like get content for it for Instagram. So it's 2 hours later and I finally managed to like put together the looks. This is the pile of everything that I want to shoot. So we've got this jacket. So I'm gonna wear it with this dress, and it's like an oversized jacket, so the dress won't show. And then I'm gonna wear it with these shoes. They're also from Pull & Bear with socks, and then these cute shades that I wore today. I'm gonna style it with that silver belt, and then this checkered bag, so only this part of the bag will show. And then the second look is this dress. Oh my god, this dress is so freaking pretty on. It has like a high neck, and then the sleeves are like very cool. And then I'm gonna style it with this bag, and I'm also gonna style it with these earrings. These are just like the key accessories. I'm gonna add like little rings and other things here and there. And then the last look is like this dress from American Vintage, and this denim vest that's like long and oversized, and it looks so cool. And I'm gonna style it with this. And then for this dress, I want to style it with these boots. They're so freaking extra, but I love them. And they look so good with the dress because the dress is like high-low. It doesn't have like one length, so it's gonna look cool peeking through underneath it. For this look, I want to style it with these sneakers. This is the pile that I have that I need to like pack now. And I also want to put together makeup looks for each outfit, so it has like a cool flare. This dress and that outfit, I'm gonna shoot it in the desert outdoors. It's gonna be like a really cool setup. And then this outfit, I'm gonna find like a coffee shop or a restaurant to shoot it. I'm thinking Vibe Cafe because it has like a cool little interior that might work with this look. So yeah, we'll see. So I'm kind of like experimenting with like eye looks now. I kind of want to use this reddish liner from Bobbi Brown and do like a liner, like a winged liner with it. And then I want to use one of these on my eyebrows to kind of like color my eyebrows. I'm thinking the gold, but I also want to check this and see what's it saying. So let's experiment. I also pushed my hair back because I feel like this would be like a really nice hairstyle for the shoot. Kind of different from what I usually do, but it's also like laid back and shows my face. That way when I do like my eye makeup, my makeup actually shows. I might leave my hair out for the first look, but then after that I think I'm gonna do this. And this was really simple. I just like literally pushed my hair back and it worked, but I might just like pin the sides so it's like a bit more sleek and less messy. But yeah, it looks really cute. I'm into it. So I finally managed to pack everything in this duffel bag. My Reebok duffel bag always comes through for me. This is the first outfit that I'm gonna be wearing, and then I hung this up because I'm scared it's gonna get creased, so I'm gonna take it with the hanger. I'm also gonna take some makeup with me because I'm gonna change my makeup look as I do the looks, so I'm gonna pack that tomorrow because I'm gonna do my makeup early in the morning. Good morning, guys. It is 6 a.m. and I am packed and ready for today's shoot. This is how I'm grabbing coffee at Starbucks at 6 a.m. Very on brand. Thank you. I love how she has like a full-on chair. Yeah. So Saina brought out a whole ass chair. We just got to the location. This is the desert and we're after that tree. So she's gonna set up her backdrop situation and we're gonna get started. I'm so excited. Look at this makeup in the sunlight. Legit smells like shit. But this is the setup. Did my hair, put on my accessories.